Hey, how you doing out there? This is Dominic with Best Card Payments, wanting to talk with all of you business owners who are getting frustrated with paying high credit card processing fees. I have a few tips that may help you keep more money in your pockets. First, swipe as many credit card transactions as possible. The rates are lower because swiping the actual card is more secure and poses less risk of fraud. Second, encourage your customers to use debit cards. The card associations, that is Visa and MasterCard, charge less for processing debit cards. Also, make sure your processor is using the Interchange Plus pricing model. It will get you closer to the wholesale cost of processing credit cards. Read your statements. Pay attention to any rate increases or added fees. If you see a discrepancy or have any questions, please don't hesitate to call and ask. Lastly, don't be afraid to get a second opinion. If you are interested in a free cost savings analysis, please visit our website at bestcardpayments.com and try out our savings calculator to learn how much we could save your business. Thanks for watching and have a great day.